What's up, guys? How's Facebook doing today? I just thought I'd take an opportunity to bring you guys another episode of Travis Kill. In our previous episode, we built an air conditioner with a foam cooler and basically some ice, some really dumb stuff. But anyways, today's episode, we're here in Texas, which it's about 70-ish degrees. I got the t-shirt on, Duck Dynasty as always, and just thought I'd give you guys a little tour of the city. There's a white thing with some ropes on it and some tall buildings, more tall buildings, big equipment. But I got this bad boy. We're delivering it here, four-wheel drive parts, right here in downtown Dallas. Beautiful day. There it is. But you know, gotta deliver this thing in style. So if Mike's as good a mechanic as he says he is, this baby should start up here. Alright, Mike, what are we doing? Maybe need a little choke. We're in neutral. Come on, baby. Check the old fuel supply here. She's full. Alright, Mike. How come we're not running, buddy? Well, this is fun. Check everything out here. Key. Well, looks like we're gonna need a little help here, buddy. Oh, there we go. I heard life. Almost got it. Oh, she almost went. We have life. Alright, guys, well, pretty exciting. The old Honda has made a trip from Maine to Dallas, Texas. She sounds like she's running pretty good. Take her for a drive here quick. I see the bail bondsman's across the street. Hopefully we don't need him. Nice thing about these Hondas is they go anywhere. Look at those beasts. Alright, well, we made it. This is not the entrance. What do you think, guys? Will it make it down the stairs? Honda power. The good people at 4-Wheel Drive Hardware are happy to see me. Take her right on up front. Right up the front gate. Alright. This looks like a good parking spot. Alright, well, let's go shopping, buddy. What are we gonna buy today? Holy shit. Alright, well, I gotta shop, so I'll see you guys later.